Hi, in this video we will learn how to send Skedler reports with customized email signatures. To start with, let's create a new notification channel and add our customized email signature. We will start with creating a notification channel by providing the basic details and sender details, email and an admin email. Here you can enter a customized email signature as per your choices. You can add all the textual information and even add images to it. For this case, I am choosing my company's logo. Skedler also allows you an option to resize the signature as per your requirements. If you do not want to scale the signatures, you can also leave it to auto and then simply click on the add button. Once you are done customizing your signature, all you need to do is click on the test and save button to validate these settings. You will also receive an email on the created notification channel that shows you how your signature would look like. Once you are happy with this setting, you can navigate back to the Skedler UI and create your report to see how this signature works. I'll create a new visual report. I'll start by choosing a data source, an organization, and a dashboard. I'll click on the next button and I'll choose dashboard snapshot report. Next, I'll do the scheduling and go to the distribute section. Inside the distribute section, I am choosing the notification channel I've just created. I'm selecting a to address. And over here, you will notice a toggle which is automatically turned on your first interaction, and it allows you to include the signatures. If you don't want it, you can toggle it off, but I'll toggle it on to show you. Now I'll click on the save button. I'll go on the next part and I'll generate this report. So my report is now created. Let me give it a quick name. Let's say email signature report. I'll click on the generate now icon. Let's wait till the report gets generated. So now we have received a message that our report has generated successfully. We will switch back to our email and you can see that we have received an email with our signature and also showing our report.